Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we will see the topic of Dick Whittington and his cat. This topic is 1.2. In this lesson we will learn about Dick Whittington. So let us start to read the first paragraph. There was one a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. One day, Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in a gold pieces from the street, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. So young Dick set to walk to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. I have no home, Dick answered. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. I am going to London myself, said the carter. Jump up here beside me and we will journey together. They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Where was all the fine gold? All he could see were dirty streets and lot of unfriendly people. He had nowhere to sleep, and in the end he spent the night in the corner of an alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. The next morning Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. He wandered around begging for food, but again and again people shouted at him, "Go away, you lazy fellow, be off with you," and aimed angry blow at him head. At least he collapsed in the street and lay there, too weak to look further for food. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to the rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. He could was the cook was trying to drive Dick away when Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his sheep. He stopped and said to Dick, "Why don't you work if you need food?" "I would work," said Dick, "but I know nobody who will give me anything to do." So, boys and girls, we will understand this topic further. Let's start. Learn the second chapter of English, Dick Whittington and his cat. In this chapter, there was a character. The name of character is Dick Whittington and his cat. As we know that in this world, there are a lot of famous personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi. They all belong to very poor family and very humble circumstance. But they show their ability to this world to prove that they can, and they victory and they reach a great height in their life. Similarly, in this topic, there was a boy, very poor boy. The name is Dick Whittington. He lived in a small village of England, but unfortunately, his parents died before, and so that all the village of England, they treated with him very badly, scolded him, abused him, and behaved very badly with him. So one day he hears something that in a London there are lot of gold. So he decided he will go to London and find a gold to show to change his life, because he want to become a rich man. Because of that, all the villagers of England will respect him and behave kindly with him. So he decided to go to the London. One day he's on the way. A carter come at him and said him, "Where are you going?" He said that, "I want to go to the London to change my life, to change my fortune. I am not leaving my home." And the carter said that, "Yes, of course I will help you. Jump up and sit beside me." So they start journey together. As soon as they reach to the London before nightfall, and the carter left him in a London, and carter start his further journey. But next, as soon as the Dick started to find a gold there, but he think that he has no place for sleeping. So he decided that he will sleep in a valley. Valley means a small line which is between in two buildings. It is called valley. So he sleep there whole night. But as soon as he wake up early morning, but he had no proper food for eating. He had no proper clothes. So he find there and where food, but nobody will help him. Everybody is called at him, shouted at him, go with off your face here. Lot of people treat with him like that. So he started begging for food. Unfortunately, he fall down in the home in the front of the Mr. Fitzwarren house. Mr. Fitzwarren is a merchant of navy. The lady of Mr. Fitzwarren also ignore him. She will not give him food. But as soon as the Fitzwarren come at him home and look that poor boy, and said that if you want food, why do not you work so hard? If you want to work, and the Dick reply him, yes, I want work, but nobody will give me the work here. How can I survive of my life? So Mr. Fitzwarren gave him job in his house, and further story, boys and girls, we will read in next video. Thank you so much. Stay home, take care, stay safe.